Hi, this is Keel's Garage. Hello guys. Today I'm going to show you top 5 best lift kit for Toyota Tacoma on the market in this year with budget friendly. Get ready for an in-depth review that'll help you decide if this gadget lives up to the hype. Check the link in the description. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more updates. So let's start. Number 1. Introducing the game changer for Toyota Tacoma enthusiasts, KSP Performance Lift Kits. Elevate your off-road experience with these kits, meticulously designed to amplify both style and function. Unleash your Tacoma's potential as it conquers rough terrains with enhanced ground clearance and unmatched stability. Crafted with precision, these lift kits ensure a seamless installation process. Elevate your adventure today with KSP Performance and experience the road less traveled like never before. Your Toyota Tacoma deserves nothing less. Number 2. DynoFit takes your Toyota Tacoma to new heights with their outstanding lift kits. Transform your ride into a trail-conquering beast. The precision engineering ensures a perfect fit, and the improved ground clearance is a game changer. Whether it's off-road adventures or urban style, DynoFit delivers the goods. Boost your truck's aesthetics and capability in one fell swoop. Take your Tacoma to the next level with DynoFit lift kits. Number 3. Reacher's Lift Kits, the ultimate upgrade for your Toyota Tacoma. Unleash the beast within your truck with this game changer. Elevate your off-road adventures, conquer any terrain, and turn heads wherever you go. Crafted with precision, these kits deliver unmatched performance and rugged durability. Installation is a breeze, and the transformation is jaw-dropping. Say goodbye to stock limitations and hello to a whole new level of driving excitement. Reacher has truly nailed it with this Tacoma masterpiece. Elevate your ride today. Number 4. ZY Wheel Lift Kits for Toyota Tacoma. Elevate your driving experience with these top-tier kits. Bolster your truck's stance and dominate any terrain with confidence. Unleash your Tacoma's true potential and turn heads wherever you go. ZY Wheel's precision engineering ensures seamless installation and uncompromised performance. Whether it's off-road adventures or city cruising, these lift kits deliver unmatched style and functionality. Upgrade to ZY Wheel lift kits today and rise above the ordinary. Number 5. Rough Country delivers an adrenaline-pumping upgrade with their lift kits, tailor-made for Toyota Tacoma enthusiasts. Unleash the beast within your ride and conquer off-road terrain like never before. With Rough Country, durability meets style, providing the perfect lift that turns heads and tackles challenges. Seamlessly blending performance and aesthetics, this kit ensures an exhilarating driving experience. Elevate your Tacoma to new heights and transform every adventure into an epic journey. Rough Country, elevate adventure. In conclusion, after exploring various lift kits for the Toyota Tacoma, it's clear that each option has its merits. The best lift kit ultimately depends on your specific needs, preferences, and off-road ambitions. Thanks for watching as we've delved into the top choices to help you make an informed decision.